You guys, and we have to just really, and I know a lot of people say just give yourself grace. I'm just going to say you have to give yourself the time to work on you. It's not a quick fix. It's not going to be perfect. Every day it's not going to be perfect, but you have to start somewhere and just give yourself time. But your body is beautiful and you have to love it. You have to love it. Hey everybody, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, the family, and our crew. My name is Alicia. For anybody who is watching that is new, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video today. Today's video is in collaboration by Beyond Body. I know if y'all have an Instagram, Facebook, even if you're on YouTube, y'all have seen these books before. And the Beyond Body is a personalized wellness book that is just for you. I first seen them on Instagram and I was intrigued because I'm trying to get my overall health and wellness back in order. I have been fighting breast cancer for the past 20 plus years. I had 3 different battles with it. Thyroid cancer, so I had to get my thyroid completely removed. And my latest battle has been cervical cancer, to where I had to have a total and complete hysterectomy along with 2 other surgeries. My mother is currently battling 3 different types of cancer: head and neck, liver, and colon. So, needless to say, we are always at some doctor's appointment. We always have nurses and therapists that's coming to the house, and our day get busy. So we cannot always eat right. A lot of times we have to eat on the road. Stress is a huge factor in it. It's days that I may not sleep for 3, 4 days at a time because I'm worrying about my mother, I'm worrying about myself, and I'm still a parent. I have 4 adult children and I have one 12-year old. School is about to start back up. So that's a whole nother just a whole nother point in my day. It's just a whole nother building block. That is my day. I have to cook, I have to clean, I have to do laundry, making doctor's appointments, all of that. So it's like my life just does not stop. Even when I needed to stop, it does not. So this book, I made sure when I was answering those questions in the survey, I included all of that. And that's one thing I think as women, and I can't speak for men, but I know as women, a lot of stuff we don't want to say because we feel like we're going to be judged, but you're not. Please do not think when you go onto these sites, be honest about what you got going on. If it's anemia, if it's that you can't use the restroom, or if you have an accident to where, because it's like, hey, I'm 45 years old. I just told you guys everything that I got going on. So I had to be put on bladder medication. And sometimes it's not cute. And we don't want to have to constantly take medicine, but sometimes it's needed. But sometimes if you just change certain things in your diet, or if you just get out and exercise more, and stress is a part of our life. We're going to deal with it no matter how strong you are in your faith, no matter how you are in your Christian life, no matter your work life. However, we get busy and stuff is just going to happen. Stresses are going to happen. So this book is going to kind of help you out with that, just and balancing everything. It is a 28-day journey, I'm going to say, because it's going to give you breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas, and it's going to start from day 1 all the way to day 28. It's nothing that you'll have to guess about. It gives you superfoods. It gives you a list of all kind of superfoods that you can eat, or you can drink or eat. Because since, like I said, I can't sleep, I have issues falling asleep. It tells you lifestyle changes that you can make, evening rituals that you can start putting in place. If you set up your room and you set up a sleep inducing bedroom, it tells you how to do that. And it's just, I like the book. I really do like this book. I have been reading through it this whole week because I told you guys I'm never gonna come on here and share anything with you guys that I would not use. And it has the dangers of sleep deprivation. And that is something that us women deal with, us mamas deal with. Even if you're a grandparent, even if you're an auntie, you're in college, whatever, we all deal with sleep deprivation, and it's not healthy. It causes so many problems. Bloating, we get a lot of bloating. It lets you know for your age and your height, your weight, your body mass. It'll also tell you how much water you need to be drinking, how much fruit you need to intake, vegetables, meats, protein, stuff like that. So it's just an overall it's overall wellness book. But like I said, it's your personalized plan. Okay, because like I said, I don't have high blood pressure, but I do deal with high cholesterol, not from the foods that I eat, but because of my medication. Because a lot of times we may not understand that some of our health issues come from medications. So we may have to kind of change a few things that we may eat or drink, and it tells you foods to avoid. And never forget, foods and exercise is medicine. With the right knowledge, you can reset your mindset and achieve anything. So it doesn't make you feel guilty or bad. It just helps you along. So you guys, if you are interested and just trying to figure out how to get your wellness on track, how to start, please go check my description box below. Click the link. I do have a discount code for you guys. And like I said, I am going to have reels up and shorts up. So this is not the only time you're going to see this. When I'm cooking certain meals, I will share them with you on this channel and on our cooking channel. And I'm just going to let you know how it worked for me. That's something that I stressed out about because I was like, okay, y'all seen my previous video. I'm like, all right, I'm 6 weeks post-op. I'm doing well. I'm feeling well. But I wasn't. I was nowhere near what she needed me to be. So she extended my my recovery time. I got to go back 2 more weeks, and I had to get another procedure done. So it kind of sucked, but then I had to realize that, hey, this is my overall wellness. This is a lifetime. This is a journey for my lifetime. It's not quick fix. It's not something that, you know, today I'm feeling like this, tomorrow I'm going to feel like this. It's a journey. So I'm not rushing myself to get to a certain weight. I'm not rushing myself to get to a certain journey in my health. I'm just going to take it day by day. And I know, like I said, this book is not, it's not a quick fix. It's not this miraculous thing that, oh, you're going to start reading this book and you're going to lose all this weight, because it does not work that way. You have to be consistent. You have to be devoted to wanting to change. That's just like your mental. If you know you're dealing with mental stuff, but you're not working on your mental health, it's not going to change. So you have to start somewhere. This book definitely is going to help me out. And even on the back, it's personalized for you, because all of our bodies are different. We're all different. And don't think because you a certain age, it's too late. Like I said, I'm 45 years old, and I just had a major surgery that pretty much turned my life upside down. It turned my body, my hormones, everything upside down, my weight. And I'm just trying to get back on track, and I'm trying to do it just one step at a time. I'm not trying to push myself. I'm not trying to do too much. So you guys, and we have to just really, and I know a lot of people say just give yourself grace. I'm just going to say you have to give yourself the time to work on you. It's not a quick fix. It's not going to be perfect. Every day it's not going to be perfect, but you have to start somewhere and just give yourself time. And you're going to know what's right for you. And this book is just a guide. That's pretty much all it is. It's a guide on working on yourself and building just a better health journey and a wellness journey. And knowing that all our bodies are different. It's not going to be perfect, but your body is beautiful, and you have to love it. You have to love it. So I will see you guys later. Thank y'all, like I said, just for giving me y'all time, and we're going to go ahead on and jump into today's video. So I will see you all later. Make sure y'all click the links in the description box below. Check out all of my discount codes that I will have for you guys, and get yourself this book. This is an investment for your life, okay? And I'm out.
Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. When it's been down to the detail. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I need ya. When it's hot, baby, I guess I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding cover, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gold house. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wet out on a leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in accord. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time.
Hey,
You was for you.
thank y'all for a good time. We had a good time.
one that they take
Right.
Oh, they're leaving us in the morning. By the time y'all see this video, they'll be home.
Fast out.
And then that's when they did the jump. It was like,
Gas, no break. Tampa, here we go.
y'all wish.
Y'all know how to have a good time. Thank y'all for the invite.
Aw.
We coming back.
Yes.
We family. They done adopted us, y'all. They ain't even trying to get rid of us. They told us. Mama
Yeah.
M said, y'all staying.
Yes.
She said, you my other son, and that's my new dog.
Right. Yep.
And she made us gumbo, so that's official.
Oh, okay.
It was good, too.
Yep. Okay. Oh, there go my baby. Oh, man. So now we are going home and get some stuff done. Until in the morning. But everybody enjoyed themselves, and that's what it's all about, right, bro?
Yes,
Just
we
enjoying yourself, having a good time, everybody coming together, and just having fun and laughing, dancing, and just celebrating each other, celebrating life, and all that God gives us and grants us. So, can't ask for much more. Now I'm just waiting on my husband to come. But we will see you guys tomorrow because I won't come back on camera again tonight. I'm tired. So I'll just see y'all. Yeah. So I'll just see you guys tomorrow. But we enjoyed you all. Y'all stay blessed. Until next time.